Hi guys, welcome back. Sorry for not posting for quite some time. This is due to the fact that I had a lot of issues to sort out with my own life regarding my workplace and my visa. So since I'm going to be leaving on the 27th and returning on the same day because of visa issues, I said to myself that I need to go for a ride and I have to equip my bike accordingly. On the 1st of February, a kind gentleman reversed into me and did a lot of damage on the bike. It's just more aesthetics. Basically, he reversed into me because he wasn't looking at my handlebars, twisted to the right side, scratched this. The bike tipped over with me and chipped my beautiful crash bars, bent next peg, scratched it as well. And that was just a day after I've installed my beautiful new decals. Again, my own design. And now I'm going to install some goodies, because literally I have no choice, do I? Also, because of the fall, okay, the yoke bearing is also fucked up. You're gonna ask why? Well, because he reversed into me and the handlebar slammed like that. Now it's getting worse and worse, and I cannot actually turn to the right without it pushing me straight back to the center of the bike or to the left. So also I need to wait for that to be sorted out by the insurance company. In the meantime, I'm going to install a few goodies. These came in a few days ago, but since I have to wait for the insurance, I bought myself some GBRacing items, okay? Basically, what do? They cover up the engine, left and right side, okay? So further damage will be prevented. You have instruction manuals, you have bolts here, you have basically everything you need. So I ordered 3 pieces, okay, to cover up the engine. These items are quite solid. I heard a lot of good reviews regarding these items. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the big cover, okay, that we're going to put here. But I need to put them in such a way so we won't disturb the crash bar, okay? Because honestly I don't want to take it off. Another thing I believe you guys are going to ask me, if we need a torque wrench. Yes, we do need a torque wrench if you don't have your hand acquainted to the torque. These bolts require 10 Newton meters of torque, okay? It says on the instructions, says on the owner manual, okay? I underline this, do not remove all the bolts out of the cover, because you're going to break the seal. Okay, it's your this, okay? What this is? Simple, it's a gasket made of material that Honda uses, and it seals the engine from leaking oil. Okay, so take each bolt one by one, you just put the cover on and you torque it to the corresponding spec, 10 Newton meters for this bike, okay? And after that you put the second one. Please take my word for it, you're gonna scream in 73 languages once it's gonna start pissing off oil if you don't listen. Okay, now the fun part. I like to take them off by hand, okay? This way I can see and feel, okay, if it's something bent in there. Okay, so it's 10 Newton meters. I like I said, to do it like this. Hi sir, all good?
Not bad, you?
No sir, no, I'm just installing some caps to protect this.
Playing with that damn silly motorbike again.
Yeah.
That's why I always used to get told. It's mucky.
I know, it's a disaster here in the UK, and this junk just gets dirtier and dirtier.
Yeah.
This is why I bought some extensions for that. This is the only bike that I own that gets so dirty.
Yeah. Well, they make them look nice rather than work properly. It's a motorbike thing. They're all the same.
Yeah, you wanna laugh? The owner manual has less information in it compared to the 2018 one.
That don't surprise me.
Yeah, they are adding close to no information.
Yeah.
Now, what I encourage you to do is crisscross. Don't do it ting, 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 ting. I'm gonna start with this one. Sorry, I'm using 2 hands now. Okay. If I start with this one, I go to this one. If I start with this one, I go to that one, okay? So I started with this one, and I'm going to do this one. Okay, I'm going to this one. Find the place. One. As you can see, I'm not torquing them directly. Okay. Okay. I'm just going into a cross. See? Don't torque a bolt directly and leave it, because you're gonna do a big oval here. Okay, I'm going to again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. What's the secret with threes? On each motorcycle book that you read, on the service manual, they're gonna say it really out loud. 3 clicks means it's the correct torque, okay? So we're gonna do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. 10 Newton meters, and we're going again, crisscross. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. This is the first cap. Now the second one. You're gonna ask, why are these here? Okay, why are these covering the bolts? Because when you slide, go on a low side, this means like this. These are completely secure, so it won't get bent and it won't get cracked, so you have to drill a hole in it and take it out. It happens. Oh, come on! This was pretty tight. Now, this is the part that we all like. Trust me. You're gonna ask me, how am I going to put this in, because it's not gonna go in without scratching the engine block. It's easy. Look, you go like this, and you see it's hitting here, okay? This way you're going to go a bit like this, turn it up like this, and you put it in like that. Okay. Put the bolts in like that. Ting, 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 ting. Okay. This is what I say. Make sure you tighten them by hand, okay? See? Tighten them by hand, always. And you can feel the cap aligning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we need to go on the other side to sort out the other part of the bike. Come on. Like I said before, just hand tight. One, bottom left, half a turn, bottom right, okay, top left, okay, half a turn, again, crisscross, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we start again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, now I'm going to heat up the engine to see if it's leaking. And after that, quickly, I'm gonna take it out for a spin around the town. Just give her some beans to see if the pressure that builds up inside the engine is gonna leak the oil out. We'll see. Stay with me. This needs to be done. I'm underlining this. So when I came to Chesterfield, I lived for nearly 3 months in that hotel, because the company that I was accommodated with never actually helped me with the house as promised. So I had to waste like 5,000 pounds on that hotel. Anyway, I've lost a lot of money since I came to this town, and I've lost a lot of things. But for what's worth, I gained a lot of experience, and now I'm living the dream. So much of a dream.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you. Now let's see. So check it like this. Okay, no leakage there, no leakage here, no leakage here. Careful, the engine is really hot. Okay, all you have to do is run your finger through it. Okay, you don't see anything, you see, on it. So check each bolt, each and every one of them, because if it starts to leak, you'll see it on the spot. Okay, here on the upper side it's a bit tricky, because you cannot, I repeat, you cannot test it like this. Okay, the upper side, you need to be a bit inventive. Okay, so you grab this and you do this on the sides. Okay, nope, nothing's there. Now this one, and we're done. Nothing, but don't forget, the engine is hot. Okay, you don't see anything, not a single drop of wetness. Okay, here you cannot test it because you need to be inventive. Okay, this is gonna absorb, okay, any moist, but here there's no chance of checking. We need to make sure that nothing, we need to wait for it to leak in case it leaks, but at the first glance it doesn't leak. It doesn't leak at all, so it's what it is. Now time to head home. So we're back home. Literally nothing has happened. Everything is alright, no leakages, no nothing. Now I need to clean that up at the extensions on the left rear hanger, because the right one is going to be replaced on the warranty, so it's a useless move from my behalf to fix it. And that's about it. Thank you for joining me on this episode, and hopefully I'm going to see you next time.